we are taking x plus 3 by 2 is equal to t. After that we will differentiate this one with respect to x. So we are going to get dx is equal to dt. So now what happens to this equation? 1 by 2 integration of dt divided by, I have taken this one as equal to t. So t square plus 1 by 2 whole square. So this is in which form? This is in the form of dx divided by x square plus a square. So what is the formula of this one? Dx divided by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So in place of a we are having 1 by 2, in place of x we are having t. So what happens? 1 by 2 into 1 by a. 1 by a is nothing but 1 by 2. So if this comes 1 by 2 to the numerator, means this 2 get cancels. So 1 by 2 coming to the numerator means it is nothing but 2 by 1, 2 get cancels. After that one, what we are having? Tan inverse of x by a. In place of x we are having t, in place of a we are having 1 by 2. So if this 2 comes to the numerator, it becomes 2t plus c2. So what happens? That is nothing but tan inverse of 2t plus c2. So what is the value of t here? That is nothing but tan inverse of 2 times x plus 3 by 2 plus c2. If I multiply that 2 means it is nothing but tan inverse of 2x plus 3 plus c2. This is what? This is the value of our this integral. That is nothing but our I2. So we got the value of I2 as tan inverse of 2x plus 3 plus c2. So I call this one as equation 2. What was our equation 1? I1 was our equation 1. I2 was our equation 2. So substituting both this 1 and 2 in this big star. So what is that? I is equal to 1 by 4 times I1. What was our I1? Log of mod 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus c1. After that, what we had? 1 by 2 times I2. What was our I2? It is nothing but tan inverse of 2x plus 3 plus c2. Now combining all these, what we are going to get? 1 by 4 log of mod 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2x plus 3 plus c. That c is equal to c1 by 4 plus c2 by 2. So combining these constant, this 1 by 4 is belonging to both and this 1 by 2 is also belonging to both. So c1 by 4 plus c2 by 2, I am calling that one has a single constant c. So this is the integral of this given question. So this is how it follows. The last form or this concept, that is some integral of some special type of function, that is px by q divided by square root of ax square plus bx plus c. So of this form. So here also you can see here it is of this form itself. In the beginning we will start with taking px plus q is equal to a times the differentiation of ax square plus bx plus c plus b, where a and b are the constant. After that we are going with getting the value of a and b. After getting the value of a and b, we are using that one in this equation, and in place of px plus q we are substituting this one and getting the value. In certain stage we are going to get both I1 and I2. So in place of I1, in previous type of question we used to get in the form of numerator, we are having the derivative of the denominator. Here also we are having that like dt by square root of t square, it will be in this form. So we know how we are going to find the integral of this type of integrand, and later in the I2 we are going to get, it will be in the form of dx divided by square root of ax square plus bx plus c, and this type of thing you have solved while explaining when I am explaining of the which type, eighth type of form. How we used to find the integral of this one, we are going with that step itself. So you will come to know all these type when we are dealing with this one of the example regarding to this question. So here is the question. So clearly it is in the form of integration of px plus q divided by square root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Okay, so it is written in the reverse manner. Suppose for your convenience you can write it as x plus 3 divided by square root of x square minus 4x plus 5 into dx, so that now you can compare both these things. So first thing what we are going to do, similar to our previous method itself, that is we are equating px plus q to a times the differentiation of the denominator, that is ax square plus bx plus c plus b, where a and b are the constant. What is this px plus q here? It is x plus 3 is equal to a times the derivative of which one? X square minus 4x plus 5 plus b. What is that one? X plus 3 is equal to a times, what is the derivative of this one? 2x minus 4 plus b. Now multiply this one, what we are going to get? 2ax minus 4a plus b. Compare the coefficients of x. By comparing the coefficients of x, what I am going to get? 2a is equal to 1, value of a is equal to 1 by 2. Now compare the constants, we are going to get 3 is equal to minus 4a plus b. We got the value of a here, that is 1 by 2 plus b. 2 1s are 2 2s are, so 3 plus 2 it is equal to 5. So we got the value of b is equal to what? The value of b is equal to 5 here. Now I substitute this value of a and b in this equation, this equation. So what happens? X plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 times 2x minus 4 plus 5. So now in the given question, that is integration of x plus 3 divided by square root of x square minus 4x plus 5 into dx, in place of x plus 3 now I am substituting this value. So what it will be going to become? It will become like 1 by 2 2x minus 4 plus 5 divided by square root of x square minus 4x plus 5 into dx. Now I am splitting the numerator. So what happens? 1 by 2 it is constant. So 2x minus 4 divided by square root of x square minus 4x plus 5 into dx, plus 5 is a constant, 1 divided by square root of x square minus 4x plus 5 into dx. So now what happens if I call this one as equal to I, means here now we are having two integrals, so it becomes I is equal to 1 by 2 times I1 plus 5 times I2 plus C. So I'll call this one as equation big star. So if I get the value of I1 and I2 and substituting back in this star means, then that is the value of the given question or the integral of the given question. So what is that I1 I have considered? That is this one. So what is that? 2x minus 4 divided by square root of x square minus 4x plus 5 into dx. So now what happens? You can see here clearly through substitution. If I take this one which is inside the root has t, means clearly 2x minus 4 is the derivative of that one. So what I will do? I'll put x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to t. And I differentiate this one with respect to x. I am going to get 2x minus 4 into dx is equal to dt. So what happens? That is nothing but dt divided by square root of t. So I can write it as integration of t to the power minus 1 by 2 into dt. So what is the integration of this one? That is t to the power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus c. That is nothing but 2 times the square root of t plus c. What is the value of t here? That is 2 times the square root of x square minus 4x, I'll call this one as C1, 4x plus 5 plus C1. So clearly this is the value of our I1. Okay, I'll call this one as equation 1 here. Now I'll consider the I2. What was that our I2? That is dx divided by square root of x square minus 4x plus 5. So it is in which form? It is in the form of dx divided by square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Now let us solve the integral of this one, how we used to solve generally. So first thing I will consider x square minus 4x plus 5. First thing, coefficient of x square, it is obviously 1, so no need to work on it. So now we need to work on completing the square. So it is in the form like x square minus 4x. So it is like x square minus 2ax. So I am equating 2ax is equal to 4x, so that I should get the value of a here. So x get cancels, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what is the value of a here? It is 2. So a square, it becomes 4. So what I will do here, completing the square process means x square minus 4x. I will split this 5 in such a way that plus 4 plus 1. Okay. So now I will consider this 3 means what happens? X square. So x square minus 4x plus 4. So x square minus 2ax plus 2 square. So it is nothing but x minus 2 whole square plus 1 square. Okay, so this is what? This is the value of x square minus 4x plus 5. Now I will go with that I2. That is nothing but dx divided by square root of x minus 2 whole square plus 1 square. After that, what we used to do? We used to take x minus 2 is equal to t and differentiate this one with respect to x. We are going to get dx is equal to dt. So what happens? Dt divided by square root of t square plus 1 square. It is in which form? It is in the form of dx divided by square root of x square plus a square. So what is the derivative of this one? That is, not derivative, integral of this one, that is log of mod x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. So in place of x, here we are having t, in place of a, here we are having 1. So what happens? That is equal to log of mod t plus square root of t square plus 1 square plus c2. So now I am resubstituting back the value of t, that is log of mod t x minus 2 plus square root of x minus 2 whole square plus 1 square plus c2. What is this x minus 2 whole square plus 1 square? It is nothing but log of mod x minus 2 plus square root of what? That is x square minus 4x plus 5 plus c2. I will call this one as equation 2. That is the value of I2. So now I am substituting back this value of I2 as well as I1 in this star. So what is that star saying? I is equal to 1 by 2 times I1 plus 5 times I2 is plus C. So what was our I1? 1 by 2 into 2 times the square root of x square minus 4x plus 5 plus C1, right? This was our I1 plus what was our I2? 5 times log of mod x minus 2 plus square root of x square minus 4x plus 5 plus C2. This was our I2 plus C. Okay. So what happens now here? 2 get cancels. Square root of x square minus 4x plus 5. Then 5 times the log of mod x minus 2 plus square root of x square minus 4x plus 5 plus C. So this C is equal to C1 by 2 plus C2 by 5. I am combining that 2 and calling that one as C. So this is the integral of the given question. So this is how we are going to solve the integral of the form px plus q divided by square root of ax square plus bx plus c. So go through each and every step clearly. It is a bit long process which can take some time to do with this one. So in the beginning days while practicing, you can take more than 15 minutes to solve one question, but upon practicing continuously, this will take hardly 5 minutes to complete this whole process. But to complete this whole process in the 5 minutes, you should know the method of substitution, which I have already explained in the beginning, that is 7.2 itself. You should know the formula of all the derivatives as well as the formulas of the integrals, and you should know all the formulas of the first 6 form, which I have already explained in the first video of this section. Suppose if you have any doubts in this 10 forms which I have explained till now, you can ask me at any time without hesitating. So that's all I can say. If you have any doubts, you can ask me at any time. Here for each type I have solved at least one question to make it clear for you how we are dealing with it. Suppose if you have any doubt with any form, you can ask it, and you will get the clear idea of this thing when we are solving the exercise 7.4. Thank you, students.